acceptance. Hashtag acceptance. Miss Caitlin, you have 60
everyone,
seconds.
before I answer the question, please shut down your mouth. Yes, my question is acceptance. You know what? Acceptance is very important to many people, internal and other CTG. Yes, just like me. My mother is accept me being a lady dog, a part of LGBTQIA. Yes. And I am proud and I am accept myself being a construction worker almost 10 years. That's why I will accept myself. Because being a board member, being a board member of my family, I need to provide food and dog food to my family. Yes. So because my family is kumpleto pa. Wala pang nagbo-voluntary exit. So, that's why I work hard